bitch, why you mad? Fix your face. I'm going up and then you feel some kind of way. I'm going up and then you feel some kind of way.
Hello, welcome. Hey you guys, what's goody, what to do? It's your girl Abi-Sue, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna give you guys a room tour of Reflect Krystal Grand. It's really pretty, and I'm gonna give you guys a tour. So follow me. We're gonna start over here. Over here we have a big mirror. You know, which is always convenient. That's always convenient. Right here is our bathroom, and this is super cute. The decor is super cute. These are lotus flowers. These are so cute. The bathroom has a makeup mirror, but it's pretty magnified, so I didn't use it, but that's convenient. Look at this. I love simple stuff like this. This is our shower. Our shower comes with the rain shower. A lot of people like rain showers. I don't really like rain showers like that. And if you don't like rain showers, they have a shower head right here. You can switch it on with this. You just press this button right here, in and out, and you can switch it. And that's it for the bathroom. You come over here, we have a closet, and our closet comes with, we actually got robes and what are these, like footies?
Slippers, I guess.
Slippers, the safe, iron, regular stuff. We got, this is super cute. I think I'm gonna take this out later. But yeah, what's this? A blanket? What's this? I can't reach it.
It's a pillow.
Okay. Over here is just drawers. Put stuff in. It's 4 drawers. And right here we put our luggage. Over here we have complimentary birthday things.
Champagne.
Yes, this is mine. This is cute. I didn't notice this ceiling light. Okay, there's also a mirror right here too. I don't know why, but you can't go wrong with mirrors. Mirrors make your room look more spacey. This room is actually not huge, but it's a good size. And over here we have a couch. Regular, more lotus flowers. I think that's like their theme. I guess that's in all the rooms, but it's super cute. And we walk over here. Oh, this is Bay's side of the room with his stuff. And then we got the phone for room service. Okay, cool.
Oh, that light up. Light it again.
So
the background. That's tough.
Cute. What's this?
A reading light.
Okay. But yeah, this is our bed.
There'll be a lot of reading going on.
But yeah, then we have a TV. We actually have Netflix, which is good because you know a lot of the stuff over here are in Spanish, so that's good if y'all want to log into Netflix. Over here, they got coffee stuff, and I don't drink coffee, so I won't be touching that. And then this is cute. Then we have a mirror right in front of the bed. This is the TV. It's super big. Then we have
Mini bar.
we have a mini fridge. And we got
It's not a mini bar.
it's a mini fridge.
Okay.
We got Canada Dry, soda, Pepsi. I guess this is like their version of Crush soda, orange soda, and all this other stuff. I think this is like beer, and they got water. And this hotel is all inclusive, so everything is like free.
No, that's not inclusive.
That's not?
No, that's how they get you. That's for
Hookah?
ice. That's for ice. That's no hookah.
Shisha.
What's wrong with y'all? 2019, man.
This shisha. Oh, and they got a Spanish Bible. That's cute. Now, this is my side of the room. And I don't really have nothing over here but my regular deck of stuff. Now the best part of the room, this is literally the best part of the room. My favorite part of the room is the swim out pool. If I could open it. Anyway, the best part of the room is the swim out pool, and it's literally like right here. Like right here. It's kind of hot out here, but I love it. Look at the view, you guys.
You want your champagne?
No.
Your Majesty?
We could get that later. I want to take this off. You don't have to record me taking it off. But you guys, that's the end of this tour, and if you guys ever want to come to Cabo, make sure you guys check out Reflect Krystal brand, because it's beautiful. And that's all. Thanks for watching.